Selling your car privately? Here's what you need to know. As the seller, you'll need to gather and fill out some documents. You'll need a certificate of title, an odometer statement if the car is less than 10 years old, and you might need a rebuilt from salvage disclosure if the car has sustained enough damage in the past. After you have a serious buyer, the next step is to fill out a bill of sale. In most cases, Hawaii doesn't require a bill of sale, but it's a good idea to have one just in case. Next, you'll need to transfer the title to its new owner. You'll need to hand over the current title, have all the previous documents filled out, and exchange payment. If you have a lost or misplaced title, you can request a replacement from your county's DMV office. This state also requires you to fill out a notice of transfer. This document releases you from liability in case the car is involved in any sort of legal trouble in the future. Once you've handed over the title, you'll need to hang on to your old license plates. You'll also need to contact your insurance agency and cancel coverage on the vehicle. You can return the old plates to the DMV or you can destroy them. Want to make your next sale safe, simple, and secure? Check out privateauto.com.